The shocking reason your transmission is whining like a banshee.
A whining transmission noise is one of those vehicle problems many drivers ignore at first, but it can actually be an early warning sign of serious transmission trouble. One of the biggest reasons a transmission starts whining like a banshee is low or dirty transmission fluid. Transmission fluid is responsible for lubrication, cooling, and hydraulic pressure inside the gearbox. When the fluid level drops or becomes contaminated, metal parts begin rubbing together, creating a high-pitched whining sound that usually gets louder during acceleration or gear changes. Another hidden cause is a failing transmission pump. The transmission pump circulates fluid through the entire system, and when it begins wearing out, it struggles to maintain proper pressure. This often creates a whining or humming sound that changes with engine RPM. Many people mistake this for engine noise, but the sound is actually coming from inside the transmission. If ignored for too long, poor fluid pressure can damage clutches, gears, and valve body components. Worn bearings inside the transmission are also a common reason behind this strange noise. Bearings help support rotating shafts and gears smoothly, but over time they wear down due to heat, friction, or lack of lubrication. Once they start failing, the transmission may produce a constant whining or grinding sound while driving. In some cases, the noise becomes louder in specific gears, which is often a clue that internal mechanical wear is already advanced. A clogged transmission filter can also create whining noises that many drivers never suspect. The filter's job is to keep dirt and debris out of the transmission fluid. When it becomes blocked, fluid flow gets restricted, causing the pump to work harder and create unusual sounds. This problem is especially common in vehicles where transmission service has been neglected for long periods. Sometimes the real culprit is torque converter failure. The torque converter transfers engine power to the transmission, and when its internal fins or bearings wear out, it may produce a whining or buzzing sound. Drivers may also notice shuddering, delayed acceleration, or slipping gears along with the noise. Since the torque converter is deeply connected to transmission operation, ignoring the warning signs can eventually lead to complete transmission failure. The shocking part is that many transmission whining problems start from something small and preventable, like overdue fluid changes or overheating. People often continue driving because the vehicle still moves normally, but the internal damage keeps getting worse silently. Catching the problem early can save thousands in repair costs, while delaying repairs may result in a full transmission rebuild or replacement.